Hi, I'm Jim Weaver for Pluralsight, and I'm a software developer who spent a lot of time helping product teams and enterprises with their supporting tools. Confluence is Atlassian's knowledge sharing and collaboration tool. It's used throughout the world by companies and teams to support many types of initiatives. Even though at its core, it's a wiki, it has years of features layered on top of that core, all useful, but also requiring some time to learn. You have lots of options in Confluence for both presenting and organizing information. This course will get you up to speed on the primary concepts and features of Confluence so that you can be productive with the tool immediately. We'll cover Confluence content and lifecycle concepts, finding your way around the application, creating spaces and pages, making use of file attachments, and leveraging the powerful macros Confluence provides to render rich, interactive content. We'll also learn how to quickly find content in a large Confluence site, including the use of labels and space categories. By the end of this course, you'll be able to use Confluence on a daily basis and create and organize rich content for your teams using this tool. So please come join me for Confluence Getting Started.